Welcome to Auto Resolve. In this video, I will show you how to fix face unlock not working on Samsung Galaxy Tab S10 Lite 5G with easy step-by-step solutions.
Fix 1. Check Face Unlock Settings. Step 1. Open Settings, Biometrics and Security. Face Recognition. Step 2. Make sure Face Unlock is enabled. Step 3. If it's already enabled, turn it off and back on. Fix 2. Re-register your face. Step 1. Go to Settings, Biometrics and Security. Face Recognition. Step 2. Delete your existing face data. Step 3. Tap Register Face and follow the instructions to rescan your face. Fix 3. Clear cache and data of Face Unlock. Step 1. Open Settings Apps. Tap the three dots. Show System Apps. Step 2. Find Face Service or Biometric Services. Step 3. Tap Storage. Clear data. Step 4. Restart your tablet and try Face Unlock again. Fix 4. Update software. Step 1. Open Settings, Software Update. Step 2. Tap Download and install if an update is available. Step 3. Restart your tablet after updating.